So, welcome Study Sport India, and this is the last module for this assessment for learning. Uh, so, we'll continue straight away, and I'm doing only MCQs and not giving much time, no descriptions more, just for practice. Which one is a type of questionnaire? Questionnaire is a list of questions to be asked. जब भी हमको रिसर्च करते हैं तो इट्स ए लिस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. सो इट इज स्ट्रक्चर्ड वन, हमें पता है हमने उसको तरीके से डिजाइन किया है. दिस इज नॉन स्ट्रक्चर्ड, ये भी टाइप हो सकती है. बोथ ए एंड बी एंड नन ऑफ दिस इज आंसर इज सी. फॉर विच द रेटिंग स्केल इज यूज्ड. रेटिंग स्केल का यूज कहाँ पे होता है? दिस इज फॉर एनालिसिस, फॉर पर्सनल स्टडी, फॉर गाइडेंस एंड नन ऑफ दिस इज यूज्ड फॉर पर्सन केस टू केस स्टडी. Rating scale. Which of the following is point of rating scale? So this is D. None of them is true. When and by whom the word focused interview was first used? So it was Robert Martin, 1956. Robert Martin used for the first time the word interview, viewing each other, trying to know each other. What is the midpoint of 10 to 15? Very easy. Which one is not the level of measurement? Nominal scale, ordinal scale, subjective, and the ratio. C, subjective. This is not level of measurement. Nominal, ordinal, and ratio. They are the level of measurement. When did measuring attitude process get started? When was it started? So it was 1927 when it was started, measuring attitude. By whom scaleogram method used? So scaleogram method was used by Gutman in 1945. By whom social distance scale used? So this is C. Bogardus. He used for first time social distance scale. Types of average. It can be D. Mean, median, mode, all three. Formula of mean. So this is the formula to take mean of any given statistics. Which is the point of mean distribution? Mean distribution का point कहाँ होता है? So we have balance points. They are balance mean. Mean balance. What do you mean by central tendency? Which tries to go in the center? So this is average. Central tendency is average. Formula of mean deviation is, this is the formula. It is to be learnt. Mean deviation, mean, median, and mode. These are three things. Then we have percentile and percentage and average. These are the words. Source of standard deviation calculation. So this is this one. Types of correlation. Positive correlation is there, negative correlation is there, zero is there. So answer is D, all of the above. Formula of percentile. Again, it is to remember, this is the formula to take out percentile. Percentile is to calculate how many people are behind you, means how many people you have crossed. If you are 99 percentile, this means you have crossed 99 people and you are in 1%. So this is percentile. It is quite different from percentage. The word statistics is derived from Italy word. This is statista. And meaning of semantic by, it was given by Osgood. This is B. This is to be remembered. Most of these names are some of the belonging to different countries. Differentiation technology by who has given this? This is Goldward and Kilpatrick. And these are some of the terms given. Mode यहाँ पे निकालना है और इस पर फार्मूला लगाओगे तो the answer will be 13. This is midpoint इनका निकालना है तो we can say 8 because we have to calculate this one. एंड आउटपुट डिवाइस, ये वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चंस. इनपुट और आउटपुट दो तरह के होते हैं जिससे हमें बाहर कुछ मिलता है. तो दिस इज प्रिंटर, हमें प्रिंट देता है. मॉनिटर डिस्प्ले देता है. एलसीडी विजुअलाइजेशन करता है. एंड ऑल ऑफ द अबव. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ सीपीयू. This is Central Processing Unit. When did IGNOU, when was it established? तो IGNOU was established in 1985, इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी। तो ये कुछ एब्रीवेशंस हैं। NIO है नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ ओपन स्कूलिंग, NCERT नेशनल काउंसिल ऑफ एजुकेशनल रिसर्च एंड ट्रेनिंग, NCTE नेशनल काउंसिल फॉर टीचर एजुकेशन, CBSE सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन, SCAB Central Advisory Board on Education. Then we have SCRT State Council Education Research and Training. So we have to remember all this. UGC University Grants Commission. अब जो आपकी ये HTET और CTET लेगा, इनकी फुल फॉर्म आ सकती हैं। CTET सेंट्रल टीचर एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट, नेशनल NET नेशनल एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट, द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ CBCS, this is credit based system, and choice based credit system, this is B. So with this module is over. So hope you are doing well. Try to go through the lessons too. Thank you.